Turmeric benefits for skin. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the golden spice that's not just for your kitchen but for your skincare routine as well, turmeric. If you're looking for natural ways to achieve glowing, healthy skin, stay tuned. Since turmeric has been used as a skincare product for so long by so many people, it should be no surprise that there are countless recipes out there. The following is a simple, basic, general use facial paste that may be a good choice if you're new to turmeric skincare. Turmeric benefits for skin. Making turmeric pastes for skincare. 1. Whip up a basic face mask paste. Add a few tablespoons of turmeric powder to a bowl, add a bit of honey and enough full-fat yogurt or milk to create a smooth paste. Make it thin enough to apply to your skin easily. Use it as a 20-minute face mask or for topical application on problem areas, which can range from chapping to acne to age spots. 2. Go for a glowing skin face mask. In a bowl, mix 2 tablespoons chickpea flour, besan flour, 1/4 tablespoons turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons raw honey, and enough yogurt, coconut milk, or water to form a smooth but dense paste. Apply it to your clean face with your clean fingers. Let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Wipe and rinse your face clean and pat dry. Apply moisturizer if desired. 3. Try a traditional Indian beauty mask. Mix 2 tablespoons of sandalwood powder, 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, and 1/2 cup of chickpea flour, besan flour, in a bowl. Stir in a small amount of almond oil and or ghee, clarified butter, and enough water to make a smooth, rich paste. Apply this face mask, leave it on until it dries, and then wipe and rinse it away completely. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to channel for more health tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.